Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has denounced the unwanted incident occurred in several polling booths during the first phase of Lok Sabha election yesterday. In a press meet held at Thamba Sanglin in Nityai Pachuthek, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Sharda expressed her resentment over the incident, calling the incident of party agents being attacked during the electoral process as highly condemnable. Sharda said that this isn't a new development and that similar incidents have taken place in earlier polls as well, where few even received bullet wounds during parliamentary elections in the past. Sharda said the party have also lodged a complaint with the ECI citing preliminary reports of BJP workers have got arrested or threatened. Booth capturing, rigging of votes and coercion of voters were allegedly occurred in several booths across various assembly segments. The constituencies where disturbances were reported during the polls are Thongju, Khurai, Andhro, Sekmai, Moirang, Oinam, Kairao, Khetrigao and Suknu.
Narang pangthokhiba Taranipan suba Lok Sabha election da miyamna sa isagi oiba democratic right adu pibinana magidamakta thokpiraktana sigumba election na sida vote pibiba isag pibam thokwa right adu koi pibiba sigidamakta hainingai leitana amuka suhanna Bharatiya Janata Party ki side tegi thagatba bondokchari ekoi ngarang jaga kharada nungaitaba thokdok khara thoi hariba nungaitaba thokdoksing adu Bharatiya Janata Party ki side tegi so open yawa singu hainingai leitana thamoi sokna awaba tarubya jari loinana singma thokdok asimatung da thoktana na ba ekoi appeal tokjari loinana thokdok adu koina condemn tawi